Hello mga kagala! Looking for a perfect staycation to unwind, recharge, and relaxation? Here at Biglaan Private Resort located at Binangonan, Rizal. Open sila 8 AM to 6 PM at nag-offer din sila ng 22 hours sa buong barkada na 8 AM to 6 AM or 2 PM to 12 noon. Including na dito ang swimming pool na may 3 to 5 feet kiddie pool jacuzzi, kitchen area na lahat ng gamit ay nandun na may free 1 gallon of mineral water. Dining area na may dining table set, extra folding table at monoblocks. Free video okay until 9:30 PM only. Billiards, dartboards, basketball court na half, shower room at comfort room. May parking area rin sila na 2 to 3 cars only. Located pala to sa 1419 Ramos Street, Barangay Mayamot, Binangonan, Rizal. O pwede mo i-pin sa Google Map ang Biglaan Private Resort. Starting June 1 pala, naglules sila ng 500 pesos sa lahat na mag-book ng 22 hours. Kaya book na!